Welcome! You've been accepted. That's right, you heard it. You've been accepted. The first thing that you need to do is head over to the registrar's office and make sure they have all your correct information, your address and your phone number. Remember, first impressions are extremely important. You can't make a second first impression. Walk around campus before classes even start. Then create a schedule that includes all your classes, your professor's office hours, and any activities outside of school that you plan on doing. That includes work and social times. The library is a great asset to your education. A lot of the resources found here can also be found online. Be sure you learn how to access this. While academics may feel overwhelming as a freshman, be sure to join some of the social groups that are provided on campus.